Good morning, welcome back to the Real Tree Guy channel. Thanks for joining us for another video. Up, ready, leaving for work. Rude. Not sure what we're getting up to today. Haven't had any details, which means there's a good chance that we'll see the boss today. And hopefully some big tree work. It's been a while since we've done anything massive. Wouldn't mind like a nice site clearance or something, but yeah, just got to head to the yard. Wife's needing the car today, so I'm gonna get dropped off and she's gonna carry on to work. And that's it really. So I'll check back in with you when I know what we're getting up to. Right, we are on site. Got all the big kit out today. Yeah, bring it back. Got these ashes to come out. Got Crane, Digger and Jag coming down now. All the boys in sight. Gonna just knock the top out, hopefully with a crane. Sometimes it cuts a bit funny. So we may jump up and knock the tops out and grab a hold of it like we normally do, like traditional craning style, but hopefully we'll be able to just knock the tops out, grab the stem, cut them at the base, and then feed them straight into the chipper. So let's get the kit all situated and crack on. Probably should have taken these off, to be honest, but you never know. Ooh, it's open, watch your fingers.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
No problem, pal. You're welcome, buddy.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome, pal.
Oh, cheers, pal. Got
it.
Pal. Do it another hour. Thanks, yeah. Oh, proper. Have one cross. You should be proud.
that's that done. There was about 6 or 7 stems in total. Full load of wood, full load of chip. Quite on the borderline of being legal, but only 5 minutes away, so get tipped off, get kit loaded up, and on to the next one. Right, number 2 is this oak coming down to 10 foot, so just below that first big branch coming towards me. Got the chipper literally backed right the way in, so no footwork for the guys. Only died last year, so hopefully it won't be too bad to climb around. We're planning on craning it as a road just down there all the way over, and that would be nice, but cars along there, bit of a hassle, can't find anyone who owns them, so gonna do it the fun way. So get some saws out, get some kit out, customers making us coffee, and see you up there.
They're holding the phone, they're like, you don't want to enter the call, but you want that noise, but you don't.
Parker's always like, oh, cool dada. Calls me and just runs off. Yeah, he just does legs. Oh no, he just literally is like, cool dada, and he just sits there eating.
You feel guilty, I feel guilty. I'm like, oh, fuck.
No, I'll just chuck it through that fork up there. Climbing with unnecessary friction. I'm not committed, but I'm going to continue to do it. I'm not committed, but I'm still going to do it. Is that okay? But if I'm not committed to doing it and I do it, is that okay? Tell me the Latin at least. Yep. Oh, straight onto that lump of wood. I have to get rid of that straight away. And then I have to put the big one. I think it's... Yep. 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 They're all going to dangle, unfortunately, from now. turn the volume down a bit. Telly's fucking way too loud. Beautiful. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. What we got for dinner? Spaghetti and... Yeah, you smashed that to be fair, no, it's just bread through. If you come down and sort it lower down, it'll be easier. Next one a bit big, so I can just do the tree a hell of a lot quicker. Almost. Ready? Oh, look at that. That's horrid. That is absolutely disappointing. Actually, grab, hold it tight. No, don't pull it tight. Hold it tight. And then let it run. Beautiful. That's lovely. Spot on, Mike Bush. Go ahead and pull that rope out for a bit. Use it. With the white bands. Quit while you're ahead, Jish. You're too confident now. You're too confident now. It's gonna ruin your day. If you knacker a saw, you're gonna just be walking. Oh, Elliot, you need to just frog him a little bit, alright? the deal. Hope you know you're sharpening all the saws from now on, Josh. You've messed up. You're so good at sharpening. Oh, Josh, I've got... Yeah, just that one. I've got a saw down, Josh. I need it to be sharper. It won't be that heavy, to be fair. Oh. Let me try and swing it around. No, I don't think I could swing it round. If you go down a minute, you could, yeah, a little bit so Elliot can grab it. Peanut butter jelly, the long way. It's actually got a decent bit of life in it. It's going to regrow. Oh, yeah, look, there's growth point. Oh, there's another. Oh, yeah, there's loads of growth points up here. Run, Jason, run, run. Yeah, leave a smidge of slack in it so that it can go over the other side of the fork. Basically. You're a pro. Yeah. But you're a pro. Oh, but T2 flake.
Razor. Oh, boys, I'll be careful of that.
Proper 10 fish scale.
On a Tuesday morning.
Get your batty up there then.
She's coming. Careful, because it'll flip. There you go. Nice. Yeah, just get that down and take the rope off. Give him the kiss. can do, but you'll have to take something with you. Or at least me and 2 others will work in it. It's only 4 of us. Alright, that's it. Customer's keeping all the wood. Them staying there. Half a load of chip. Just going to clean up and off we go. 2 hours work, had a break in between, and good work. So let's get home. And we're done. Just packed up. Boys are off. Nice, easy day. Got a lot done in the day, to be fair. You forget how efficient you are when you've got all the kit on site, and then again how efficient you can be when you've got like a well-oiled team that we have here. Look at that. So yeah, just gonna chill in the yard, wait for my missus to pick me up, and then off home to edit this video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed that one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the morning.